Hey guys, so my little cousin Levi here wanted to make a Fortnite video. On PC. He has no idea how to play on PC, so see how it goes. So you move forward using W, side here. Forward is W. For me, it's different for everyone. Well, pretty much. Forward is W. See this? This is forward. This is side. They can't see you. He's nabbing. So forward is W, side is A, side is F, side back is X. I'm different than most people. So if you're a kid, you gotta go.
Play. How do you gonna try?
No.
God, I see what you're talking about. Leggy. No, listen. How do you even walk? How do you walk? How do you
W.
W?
You listen to the Bible?
How? This is how do you jump? W. How do I jump? It's not funny.
This is how you go. W is to go down. W is to go down. No, this is how you look. This is how you look. You have to use the mouse to look.
So now I get it. Can we get him? Can we get him? We can make him.
He doesn't have to.
You like talk to him. Hello? This button is W. Billy, just play. Oh, this
Hey, people don't want to do that.
button.
W is to make it. I'll show you how to do it. X is back. Yeah. Wait. And you got one top. Got that here. Go with this. When you do it, raise it here. And put it like this.
How do you
Yes.
shoot?
Perfect. So you
How
can
do
just
you
do that
shoot?
to go forward. I'll only control the mouse.
Yeah.
Okay, I got the mouse.
How do
Oh,
you?
no, no. What's that? What's that? Press S. Press S. No, just wow. Yeah, nice. I got the gun. Press S. S. That's it. Down. Nice. Now go forward again.
How do you?
Ready, got it. We got the gun.
No, how do you like? How do you?
You know? Oh, see? I got it. I didn't really do it. Scroll. Most people have hidden memories and
Yeah, I don't want it. Go over there.
That's it. You gotta jump. You gotta jump. Just hit the big button. Huge button. Watch this. Hey, you gotta go. Press button.
How do you die? I don't want more.
Buddy, we said one. We said one. That's it for now. We'll see you another time. And that's a wrap.